How to turn off motion blur in Lost Light. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to turn off the motion blur in Lost Light game, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Lost Light game on your device and make sure you are inside the main lobby page. Once you're in the lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the bottom left, and after you're inside this settings menu, select the general tab from the left hand side and go to function toggle from the top. Once you're inside function toggle, look for motion blur option, tap on the disable button right next to motion blur, and you have turned off the motion blur feature in Lost Light. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.